In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a database search engine with filters in WordPress. We're going to walk through this process step by step, making it as smooth and straightforward as possible. If you've ever wanted to enhance your WordPress site by allowing users to search more effectively through your content with filters, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. Open up your preferred web browser and type in your domain followed by touchwp admin. Once logged in, we'll begin by installing a search filter plugin. Head over to the plugin section in your dashboard and click on Add New. In the search bar, look for plugins such as Search and Filter, Fast to WP, or WP Grid Builder. These plugins will be instrumental in setting up robust search functionalities on your website. After finding a suitable plugin, click Install and then Activate to get it up and running on your site. Next, we need to prepare the content that users will be searching through. If your database content isn't ready yet, now's the time to create custom post types or utilize existing ones like trips or products. To enhance the search capability, it's crucial to add custom fields to these posts. You'll want fields such as price, category, or destination, and you can achieve this using a plugin like Advanced Custom Fields, ACFS. It's a fantastic tool for adding customized fields that will make your search function more versatile. The next step is setting up the search filters themselves. Navigate to the settings of the plugin you installed and select the post types you want users to be able to search through, such as trips. Decide on which fields the search should cover. This could include titles, categories, destination names, or even a range for prices. You need to customize how these filters appear to the user. Options include drop-down menus, checkboxes, or range sliders, each offering a different way for users to refine their search results effectively. With your search filters configured, it's time to add a search form to a page on your website. Go back to the plugin and copy the shortcode it provides. This is where you'll insert the fields that you want your search form to include. Use the example provided and paste this shortcode into a new WordPress page or a section of your homepage. Finally, once the search form is integrated, it's essential to test everything to ensure it's working as expected. Visit the page where you added your search form, try entering different search terms or applying various filters, and observe how the results update instantly. This real-time feedback is key to a smooth user experience. If all looks good, congratulations! You've successfully added a comprehensive search engine with filters to your WordPress site. This setup offers a more refined and tailored search experience for your site's visitors.